everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So you may or may not know that my computer is broken, and that is pretty much how I do all my work for my videos and like everything in life. But I think I figured out a way to like upload videos straight from my camera to my phone, and then I can like upload it from there. But the only thing is I won't be able to edit, at least I don't think so. So I'm gonna try and do this just straight through without any editing. I honestly don't edit like too much in my videos. I just take out like the dead space like when I'm opening something, because that like really bothers me personally when I'm watching other videos. So I just try and cut out anything that's over a few seconds of like just dead space, like I said. So hopefully this won't be too annoying. I just realized I didn't open the box before filming, which I should have done. But anyways, today we're opening up Thrive Box, and this is what it looks like. And Thrive Box is supposed to be like a care package for college students. I did pull up the website on my phone. So it says Thrive Box, a care package for college kids full of encouragement and love. And it says, it talks about the creator on here. My name is Marilyn, and I have had the unique opportunity to work with teens for the last 15 years. That's in addition to raising 2 of my own. So she knows firsthand on the challenges that the generation is experiencing and wanted to do something about it. So she looked into their classrooms. The pressure to achieve high on test scores has become more important than engaging curiosity, passion, and celebrating their unique gifts. They are asked to fit into boxes, and then we wonder why they struggle to problem solve, then graduate without the confidence that they have that they need to live a successful life. So her goal was to do something about this. So I guess she created this box for that reason. Yes, I'm trying. Normally I'd be like browsing and cut off that space, but I'm trying to find the pricing now. So Thrive Box, a little box from home reminding them that they are missed, but ultimately that you just want them to thrive. So I think that sounds so sweet and cute. And it looks like it is $50. So I will link all this information down below. Again, the box looks like this. There's a cute, well, I don't know if I said again, but I don't know if I showed you, but the box is really cute. There's a dog on it. So I have my scissors here, and I hear landscapers outside right now, and they're normally here on Thursdays, but it's Monday. That's interesting. So when you open the box, this is what you see. So it looks like there's a note on here. It says, "Welcome to your Thrive Box. This was sent to you by someone who cares about you in hopes that it will fill your day with encouragement and love. Enjoy." I can't believe the landscapers are outside right now. Normally I'd like pause and be like, okay, I'll just cut that part out. Oh, and I forgot to turn my light on. Failing. Okay, but here is a little note on top. It says, "Welcome to Thrive Box. Here are 3 things you need to know." It says, 1, if you think this is even a little awesome, thank the person that sent this to you. Someone got this for you because they wanted to make sure you know that you are loved and supported. Thank them. Not only will it show them that you felt the love, they might even do it again. And then it says, 2, tag us on Instagram by using @GenThrive for a chance to win $50. We are a new company. There's nothing more helpful that you could do than sharing what you like. Take fun pics as you unbox your Thrive Box or as you have fun with the contents. We'll pick our favorite picture on October 31st and literally Venmo that person $50. Awesome. And if you're in college, $50, I mean, even for me right now, $50 would be great. It can go towards my computer. And then 3, there might be something in this box that just isn't for you. Please don't toss it. You're bound to have a friend that would think it's great. Please help to spread the positivity by gifting anything you're not crazy about to someone else. Let it be your own little random act of kindness. I always try and do that with my subscription boxes, even if I don't like it, if I just get like a lot of stuff, because I do get a lot of stuff like extra. I like love to share it with you guys or with some loved ones. And then on the back it says, "Let me show you around your October Thrive Box." So it looks like it gives you something for your living space, something encouraging, something practical, and on and on. So it says something for your living space, and then it explains what it is next to it. So that is great. So I will keep this right here to reference throughout the unboxing. And there's a little note for me, which is super sweet. So normally it says, here, this is what it looks like. It says, "Kitty, thank you so much for checking out the Thrive Box. This page would normally be a note to the receiver from the sender. It's usually an encouraging message from home. Hope you enjoy, Marilyn." So if you send this to someone you love, you can write a personal note. So that is a great touch, this box. And this is what it looks like inside. There's a bunch of good stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm fasting today, so this is making my stomach growl. This is a crispy treat as big as your hopes and dreams. This is a Rice Krispie, and it looks like there's some sprinkles on it. Yum. It says made in a cottage food operation that is not subject to Florida's food safety regulations. So this is made in Florida. Cool. Also, I think this box is based out of Tampa. Super awesome. That's not too far away from me. So it says, so this is some grub. It says, how about a giant homemade crispy treat and some chocolate to help you stay energized? So I wonder if there's some chocolate in here as well. Yeah, oh my god, I love these chocolates. Oh, it's gonna be so hard not to have them. These are by Awake, and these are chocolates that have caffeine in them. I've gotten them in a box before. I think my Love with Food box. So each one of these has half a cup of coffee, so if you have both of them, it's a full cup. But a chocolate and a pick-me-up, I love these. I'm so happy those are included. I'll have to wait till tomorrow because I'm doing my 36-hour fast like I said, but that is great. Now what is this? It looks like this might be something to hold your drink because there's like a little thing in here. Yeah. Oh, so there's something that's telling you what it is for. That is too cute. It says water. So there's a little handle thing on here too, so you can connect it to something. But this is awesome. You can use this to hold your water bottle, and it's really cute. It's got pretty feathers, pretty colors on there. So let's see what this is. Something seasonal. It says the water bottle sleeve keeps your water a bit colder, makes it easier to carry, and prevents your desk from getting all sweaty. That's true. I hate when I get water all over my desk, especially if I'm working with paper or by my computer. So this is super cute. Then what is this? It says, just for fun. And there's that dog. I think the same dog that was on the front. And it says, Bigfoot decided to put his Google eyes on his favorite pillow before taking a nap. Where will you put yours? So there, it just fell off, but there's two little googly eyes, so that's really cute. So there's the picture of it on the pillow. And here are this, just for fun. You can do whatever you want with these. I think that's cute. And they're like the ones that move around. Awesome. And then there's a piece of paper in here reminding us that you can win $50 by tagging them in their Thrivebox photos. I think that's awesome. $50. Yes. Ooh, is this a good glow stick or what is this? Oh, and I forgot to read what it said. So something fun. Googly eyes, put them somewhere fun. It's a guaranteed smile. And then what is this? I think this is like a glow stick thing. Yeah, let's see. Is this something like... It's like a little bracelet. And I think if you like move it all around, you can get it to do something. Let's see. Oh, so I think this might be a surprise because it says there's always a surprise Bigfoot, or I don't know. It doesn't say it in here, but I think this is like a bracelet because like you can see how it attaches here, and I think it might be one that glows in the dark. Oh, here's a magnet. It says, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, Michael Scott, Bigfoot. So Bigfoot is their dog. That's so cute. I love that quote, and I love that they put Michael Scott after. If you guys watch The Office, you'll get that. I love The Office, so that is amazing. And Bigfoot the dog is so cute. And I like the quote too, like, but Michael Scott made it even like better. Oh my god. Oh, and here's a rose quartz stone. I think, let's see what it says. It says, the rose quartz is known as the love stone. Put this stone in your pocket, on your dresser, in your car or backpack, anywhere that you could use a reminder of the unconditional love that someone has for you. That's so cute. And look, it's beautiful. It has like that golden casing around it. So it says something encouraging. The rose quartz is said to be the symbol of love and positivity. Put it somewhere that you can be reminded of the good vibes. That's awesome. I'll keep it here on my vanity / desk. This is like where I do most of my work. Ooh, nice. I need something like this. This is awesome. This is a TVF 5000 megahertz or mAh ultra slim power bank. So this is a combo on and off power indicator LED, fast charging for USB mobile devices. So this charges and extends the battery on mobile devices. Oh my god, this is awesome. I don't have one of these. So this could attach to your phone. It's like a phone backing, and it can charge your phone, like give it extra battery life. So it includes the high capacity lithium ion polymer battery, USB-A to micro B cable. This is so cool. Let's see what it says. Oh, it says something practical. A phone charger. You can never have too many, can you? You're welcome. So that's awesome. Oh, these look fun. This is Positive Art Liquid Chalk Markers. Water-based, easy to wipe off. And there's one in black and pink. And it says on here, something for your living space. You will find a couple of chalk markers. Write messages for yourself or your roomies on the mirror or windows. That's such a good idea. I love that. I think that's like perfect when you have roommates too, which most college students do, right? And then this is like a notebook that says goals on it. And inside it has lined paper. So this is definitely something useful for everyone. But in school you can use this as a notebook or you can write your goals out. Let's see what it says on here. So it says something to make learning more fun. A little notebook to keep track of anything important you have on your mind. # goals. That's so cute. I love stuff like this. And it looks like, oh, there's another one of these. I swear I thought I saw something on here, but I think these are just like extra, like fun glow in the dark. I'm pretty sure these are glow in the dark, but it is bright in here even if I turn off the lights. I'm in Florida, it's sunny. It's actually a little cloudy right now, but still bright. And it looks like the last thing in here is a card that says awesome. And oh look, it's actually stamped. That is so convenient. I love when they come pre-stamped because sometimes you just don't have stamps at home and it just is. I know it's not that hard to go to the store and get one, but you know, it can be a pain in the butt. So they have a stamped envelope and then a card here that says awesome. And then it's blank inside, so you could use this for whatever you want. I think that is so sweet. It's always nice to have cards. And again, the fact that there's a stamp on it is amazing. So I think this was super cute. Let's go through it just really quick. So here is the card with the stamp. We have the goals notebook. We have two of these like glow in the dark like bracelets. The chalk markers, which I can't wait to use. I'm gonna try it on my mirror. This cute like feather water bottle holder and this paper water bottle. I think that's so cute. We have the googly eyes for fun. The rose quartz stone. The phone charger, which is super great. Everyone needs something like that. This magnet, which is super cute and has a funny quote on it, or a good quote, but also a funny meaning behind it. And these snacks, yum. I think this is so cute. I love how they have the card here that like gives you like every month they'll give you something for your living space, something encouraging, something practical, something seasonal, something to make learning more fun, something just for fun, some grub, and something to encourage connection. Okay, I did read that one. It says something to encourage connection. There's a card in there. It already has a stamp on it. Take a minute to write a note and send it to someone. It will surely make their day, and I bet it would. So I just love how they set this up, and this is a new box too. I think they did such a good job. So if you guys are interested in this box for yourself or you want to send it to a loved one, I will link it down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!